two together 50 years ago in the catalog. That's about it. Only at Kaplan Cycles, buddy.
Guys. What's happening, fellas? Hey, my media guy just printed this off today, and much to my dismay, 83% of the people watching the channel are not subscribed, only 16.7. And we also got over a dozen emails from subscribers saying they were magically unsubscribed from the channel. So we're not sure how that's happening, but do me a favor, just check and see if you are subscribed. It's a button right down there. Just hit the subscribe button. It's very easy to do. You don't have to fill anything out. Just hit the button. Maybe you hit it inadvertently with your finger and unsubscribe, but it helps us grow the channel. I promise to you, you guys subscribe. I'll keep giving you the best free content on classic motorcycles I can possibly come up with. I spent the last 15 years of my life doing this 364 and a half days a year. And that's all I ask. It's free and it would help us grow the channel. So we got a deal. You guys subscribe and I'll keep pumping out the great content for you. Thanks for watching. God bless America. Guys, this is a restoration you want to get real up close to take a real close look at it and see and realize what you're looking at. This is a Concours Plus. If 10 is perfect, this one's an 11. Every nut, every bolt, every painted part on this bike. It started out with a 230-mile original Harley Davidson Shortster that had been tucked away in someone's living room for the last 50 years. And then it was given a comprehensive frame-off restoration, starting with every chrome piece on this bike was taken off. Every piece of chrome was sent out in triple chrome plated. There's a good, better, best chrome package. This is the best chrome you could buy. All the polished aluminum was polished professionally. Every painted surface on it was professionally repainted, including the tank, which there's 7 coats on there, and it's absolutely freaking stunning. The seat's beautifully restored. It runs like brand new. The engine was completely rebuilt from the crank up, new crank bearings, new top end. Everything was done. This is as close to brand factory new as you'll find one anywhere on planet Earth. New tires, new brakes, new chain. Any part on this bike, every nut, every bolt was completely restored to factory perfect original. That's the true definition of a Concours license plate. And it was capped off with a Texas 72 Shortster plate on the back. So this is, I believe, the finest one in the United States. I've never seen one better than this. This was a no expense spared restoration. Everything on this bike is as close to factory brand new as you'll ever find it. Even the inside of the tank, look at this. Perfection, pure perfection. What does perfection like this cost? Well, I'll tell you, a restoration to this magnitude with the chrome plating and everything, you're looking at 65 hours of shop labor, about 10 grand in labor, and a couple $1,000s of parts. You're looking at a $12,000 frame off restoration, plus the cost of the original bike. So this one's not going to be cheap, but I can promise you this is the best one on planet Earth available for sale today. If you have any questions about it, if you're a guy who appreciates absolute perfection, no excuses, and you want the best one on planet Earth, buy this bike. We also have its big brother over here, which is given the same treatment. That one's absolutely stunning. That one's, I think that one's already sold. Junior's got a guy coming over today that I think that's going to be gone. But if you have any questions, give us a call. Give Junior a call, 860-454-7024. My son will hook you right up. And this one's ready for another 53 years. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.